Hey, in this video, I will show you how to recover a compromised hacked Facebook account in 2023, or if you have a hacked Facebook account, this is the recovery. So what you want to do is go over to Google and type in compromised Facebook account. That's what I type in. And when you have that, you want to click on the second link. This will redirect you to your Facebook app. Let me turn the brightness down a little bit. And you want to click on get started, help with a hacked account. You have a few options. If you think that your account was hacked, we can help you recover it. Firstly, can you tell us what's happening? Someone gain access. You gotta click this. Can you log in? Can you still not log in? And you want to follow up and answer all the questions. If you're having trouble with something, just let me know in the comment section down below, because it's individual for everyone and I'll try to help out as many people as possible. Like the video for the algorithm. I want to see you in the next one.